Cargo trailer conversion holding tanks. There are a lot of options. Let's take a look now. Your RV holding tanks are what make it possible for you to use the bathroom, the shower, and the kitchen sink on board your RV without leaving a trail of wastewater behind. The holding tanks, as their name implies, hold wastewater from household use underneath your coach until you're ready to dump them into a city sewer system. There's typically 3 tanks in your RV. Your freshwater tank, your gray water tank, which services your sinks and your shower, and then the old waste tank, which is where all the, well, you know, poop goes. What are the limitations in how you store your occupants of your 3 tank types? Well, the waste tank needs a pretty traditional tank, as unfortunately solids don't go around corners very well. But freshwater and gray tanks, you can get creative and maybe even save a buck or two. Let's take a look. I've done some research, and you can use, and people have used, PVC piping for the freshwater and gray water tanks. PVC, you say? Yes. 18 feet of pipe holds about 26 gallons and costs a lot less than a traditional tank. You can fit them almost anywhere as you control the length. There's a link below there to a calculator to see how much they hold. Some folks even put these pipes on the roof and create a hot water heater for an outside shower system. The 6-inch diameter allows you to place them between your trailer frame members and insulate underneath them to create an almost 4-season trailer. You can use them standing up in a wall. You could, but you want to keep the weight of your trailer as low as possible. This is what I call thinking outside the tank. Ha, no pun intended. Another option I've seen is visiting your local horse supply store. These folks sell water tanks for feeding the horses in the barns. This tank is 48 gallons and could be stood up or laid down. There's 2 connections on the bottom section, one for emptying the tank, and the other has a hose connection. There's also a spot on the top that can be used. This tank sells for $189, which is far less than a traditional fresh or gray tank. This would take a little MacGyvering, the guy on TV who could build anything out of anything. We all remember him. But as the fun of building out a cargo trailer or van is making it unique. My last thought is having a custom aluminum tank built. These tanks can be placed on the tongue on your trailer as they are sturdy and can withstand the sun beating down on them. The fact that they are custom means your problems could be solved if your framing is being difficult and require a custom size. Being aluminum, they would also be lighter. Thanks for watching my video on RV holding tanks. Please subscribe and hit that like button. Helps our channel. Look for my next video on what you should consider when buying your cargo trailer. I'll go through many points that make a trailer good and not such a great trailer.